fog with a faded light. Miles of dirt and a heavy load, just me and the devil on this lonely road. The cattle is restless, they feel the chill as we climb the shadows of the silent hill. Roll on thunder through the pouring rain, 1,000 hooves and an engine's pain. No time to stop, no place to hide. With the ghost of the highway by my side, keep the wheels turning till the break of dawn, before the shadows know that I'm gone.
Now I'm without you, and I just can't hide it. And you'll never know anything that I feel inside. You know I still love you, but I stand divided, 'cause I always hated your suicide. I guess you never bothered looking back. Call me up to say your last goodbye. Did you think that I could just let you go?